Top flight leader English language center debate competition.
When we turn a few pages of our past, we may see many.
About my thinking, as he said, he was in embellishment.
When Pakistan came in the map of world, we had no defense force.
If he go to masjid, so in salah, in prayer also he think 100 times there.
The most beneficent and the most merciful. First of all, I am thankful to my teachers for giving me this precious opportunity. Secondly, I am thankful to dear guests for coming here and for joining us. Dear audience, today our debate is also the part of this wonderful function, and our topic is that we have materialized our Qaid dream or not. Dear audience, when we turn a few pages of our past, we may see many achievements like rising of a nation and building up a strong military muscles and construction of CPSE project, etc., etc. I am proud that Pakistan is marching toward unity. Pakistan is marching toward unity and developments after many terrorism and extremism.
First of all, Assalamu alaikum, ladies, gentlemen, chief guests and all guests, students, babies and girls. Assalamu alaikum first of all. After that, welcome you to join this commanding competition, this commanding cinema, and I appreciate my board teachers, Sir Zahid Khan and Sir Zahirullah, who make this amazing convocation for the students and for the people. After that, dear audience, the easiest thing in this country is to blame others. As my exponent said that we have military muscle, we have military muscle, we have atomic power, nuclear power. About my thinking is wrong, absolutely wrong, because it's only for show. For a lot of years we have listened that we have the word defense forces in the world, in the all world, no one can defeat us, but it's only for show. I have not listened that Pakistan use his military against any enemy, against any country. There is no one. I have not listened until. About my thinking, as he said, he was in embellishment, a fake beauty, not reality, a fake beauty.
Mr. Humayun, what's he saying? I think he is sleeping still. He was saying that Pakistan didn't use the defense forces. When the time will come, so Pakistan will use the defense forces and Pakistan will use the atomic power. Let me clear the fantasy of Mr. Humayun Khan. What's he saying? Today we are in peace because of materializing our Qaid dream. He was saying that we haven't materialized our Qaid dream and we had nothing. But Qaidism wanted to look us be independent, and today we are independent. We can go everywhere. We can offer prayer. Wow, Mr. Humayun Khan, what's he saying? He tried to spread the rumors of our country. He tried to spread the rumors of our country. But we shouldn't give attention to the essence of unnecessary criticism.
Mr. Wajid Khan. Mr. Wajid Khan, my dear exponent, what's mean unnecessary criticism? What's mean? Unnecessary criticism is not here. When we study the 76 years history of Pakistan, we may see that we drive the staple that our follies are greater than our voice. Our words louder than our actions, and our sins are heavier than our virtues. Then what's mean unnecessary criticism? Their ideas. Our Qaid wanted to bring true democracy, but we have seen the democracy that was hijacked by the fortune seekers, and he also wished this country to be. Thank you. And he also, dear audience, our Qaid was a great leader. He also wished this country to be governed under the Islamic system. But we are so far from the Islamic system. There is no Islamic system, Islamic justice in our judiciary system. Our poor people are weeping in the gates of judiciary system, in the gate of our courts.
As Mr. Humayun Khan says that there is no Islam in Pakistan. Why there is no Islam in Pakistan? We all are Muslim and we are following the rules of Islam. We are offering prayer. We are worshipping. So what's the meaning of that? we have not materialized our kite dream, and there is no Islam in Pakistan. When Pakistan came in the map of world, we had no defense forces, no infrastructures, no establishment, no institution. But today we have everything in our hands. But we are still lamenting that. We haven't materialized our kite dream. Respected sir, today we have the world organized defense forces and atomic nuclear. No one can cast us, no one can defeat us, no one can cast on devil eye us. Dear audience, we have materialized our kite dream and today we are in peace. But I have nothing for agreeing Mr. Humayun Khan.
Clap your for Mr. Wajid Khan. Clap your for, please. Yeah. Mr. Wajid Khan, I agree that we are Muslims and we worship of the Allah Almighty, and it's our obligation on us. It's necessary that if you will not go to masjid, if you will not offer prayer, so we will go to the hell. It's on every person, obligate on every person. But dear audience, the main thing, what's the main thing? You know, the main thing is that there is no justice in our Pakistan. For example, he is talking about the materializing our kite dream. But what was the kite dream? You know, there is no one. Look at our new generation. If someone, for example, if someone buy a shoes, a simple thing, a shoes by 2,000 or 25,000 or 1,500. If we go to masjid, so in salah, in prayer also he think 100 times that no person steal my shoes. It's called the kite dream. It's called the kite dream. Do you agree with Mr. Wajid Khan? Your ideas, please. We have Pakistan nowadays, and Pakistan is the country that have no example in all over the world. It's a unique country. We have a lot of resources, we have a lot of persons, we have a lot of facilities, but we have no persons that work hard and come. And I request, in the end, I request to all Pakistanis that please, for Allah's sake, daydreaming, come out of daydreaming, then inshallah we will be developed as a nation. And I would like to conclude with this message that a person have two times in his life when he should not effort it, when he cannot, and when he can. Thank you, and let us try to make the Pakistan that our kite desire to be. Thank you.